Transformation doesn't happen by chance. It happens through bold execution. Welcome to Let's Talk Business Transformation. In this special episode, recorded live at the Salesforce Tower in London, Joe Hollinworth from OSF Digital and Jemma Byrne, Head of Ecosystems UKI at Salesforce, break down what actually drives transformation today: data readiness, enterprise execution, and the ability to accelerate time to value. Let's dive in.
Hello everyone, I'm Joe Hollingworth, the UKI Alliances and Channels Lead for OSF Digital, and I'm delighted to be in Salesforce Tower London today, here with Jemma Byrne, Head of UKI Ecosystems at Salesforce.
Hi
Jemma,
Joe, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Appreciate it.
Wow, thank you for using our wonderful offices for your interviews today.
And some sunshine.
I know it was pretty grim this morning, but this is good. Let's take this as a win.
Good. Okay. So, I'm going to throw you under the bus immediately and test your knowledge on OSF Digital.
Okay.
So first question, what does OSF stand for?
Only Salesforce!
Nailed it.
Love it.
Nailed it. Right, so Jemma, we work so closely together, and I know you oversee this massive dynamic ecosystem. Mm-hmm. But what is the most rewarding part of your role when you see partner teams and Salesforce teams on the ground working together?
Gosh, there's a very, very long answer for that, but I'm going to give you a short one. The nature of our jobs is we're so lucky. We're so lucky because of the fact that we get to do something different pretty much every day. But one of the really rewarding parts of my job is looking at a room full of partners or partner and Salesforce and actually not knowing which one's which. When two teams come together and they're sort of working on a problem together for one of our customers, and the collaboration and the trust that is being built, that's sort of the best experience. And then you take that, or you extrapolate that to when we've actually got a win story, or we've got a go live. Being able to go out and celebrate success, those are absolutely, truly the best parts of my job.
100% agree. And it's great to be a part of that as well.
You are indeed.
So I have been part of the Salesforce ecosystem over 5 years now, and I see that family feel and how we all come together as one. But from your vantage point, heading up the UK and Ireland, how does having this tight-knit ecosystem translate to fast and tangible outcomes for our customers?
So, Joe, the Salesforce ecosystem in the UK is the best in the world. It truly, truly is. And that's my experience from being in the tech industry for a few years now. So what is lovely to see is that there is a real sense of community. You don't see this really heavily competitive feel, and you see lots of partners working together. We now have such a diverse platform of technology. We have partners that are specializing in industry or cloud or business segment or processes, and actually collectively all of them coming together has built such a trusted Salesforce ecosystem. And many of them adopt our philanthropy models. Many of them are out there working really closely with our customers and with our nonprofits. So first of all, I think the whole ecosystem is something that we should both be really, really proud of. I think how we bring the benefit of that ecosystem to our customers is in the time to value. So our customers are experiencing lots of challenges day in, day out. And being able to very quickly look at who's specialized in a particular industry or a particular cloud to be able to either make that recommendation or co-create with them enables our customers to get the best value and to see the time to value quicker than ever. And that's so important now because, budgets are tight, resources are constrained, and actually getting to that solution as quick as we can means that we're winning their trust and delivering great solutions for them.
Yeah, awesome. I completely agree. So, following on from that, OSF are uniquely positioned to be able to deliver that end-to-end Salesforce multi-cloud transformation. We have global scale, but we retain that local boutique approach. When you think about partnerships that really work in the ecosystem, what qualities and behaviors make the biggest difference to Salesforce and our customers?
It's about taking a problem or a challenge that a customer is facing and very quickly being able to deliver value. Now, take Agentforce, taking agentic enterprise. All of these are very complicated for some of our customers. But taking that hype, the AI hype, which we are all submerged in at the moment, and turning that into reality is something that OSF are really good at doing. They're really good at sitting down and working and collaborating with our teams. The fact that they only do Salesforce, there you go, is builds trust really, really quickly, because we know that we're not competing with other technologies in there. But we've had a number of years of working with you, and we are truly grateful for everything that you do for our customers. And we've had some brilliant fun as well. And I think it's really important to celebrate the successes of when we work really collaboratively, and we build trust, and we do fun things, and we celebrate success frequently.
Yeah, and we pride ourselves on that as well. So we thought we'd finish off the interview with what we call a lightning round.
Okay, I'm nervous.
Should be. So we're going to do some either or questions to start.
Okay.
Biggest barriers for clients right now, budget or bandwidth?
Well, I've said, haven't I?
Both,
it's
right?
both. It's absolutely both. But actually, I know this is meant to be quick, but I'm just going to throw in, I would say it's data. It's absolutely getting their data right, because
100%.
that's gonna drive all of the decisions of how quickly a customer can turn into an agentic customer.
Yeah, agree. Is the AI conversation currently more about cost reduction or growth acceleration?
Oh, both again. It is, isn't it?
It is.
It depends who you're talking to in different parts of the business, isn't it? Because a CFO is going to be thinking about cost, and a CSO is going to be thinking about driving growth. So you've got to find balance, and I know these are meant to be short questions, but we're just going to go with it.
Yeah, okay. All right, last either or. With Agentforce, is the bigger opportunity in employee productivity or customer-facing automation?
It's both again, Joe. Absolutely, because it depends on what you're focusing on, doesn't it?
It does. It completely does. But both very important still.
Absolutely, 100%.
Okay.
You know, a good agentic enterprise is going to have both.
Yeah, agree. So finish the sentences next.
Okay.
A great Salesforce partner should always...
Operate with trust and transparency.
Perfect answer. One I buy too.
Yeah.
Businesses are underestimating...
How good Salesforce and OSF can be together.
The partners that will matter most in the AI era are the ones who...
Can quickly advise and turn that advice into value.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. A big part of our strategy this year as well.
Advisory.
The ecosystem needs more partners who can...
Help with our consumption.
Yeah, big priority.
Yes, very big priority.
Okay, and the wildcard question. If you had to mute one buzzword this year, what would it be and what should replace it?
Well, I'm quite surprised that agentify has become such a prominent word, and it's slightly irritating, but I don't think I'm going to be able to replace that with anything because it's used far too frequently.
I would tend to agree. Right, so Jemma, as always, it's been an absolute pleasure spending time with you today. Thank you so much for joining me.
I really enjoyed it.
If you want to learn more about the power of the OSF and Salesforce partnership, please click the link below. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for listening to Let's Talk Business Transformation by OSF Digital. Follow us for more episodes and visit OSF Digital to learn more.